Hey folks, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Hi, how are you? Welcome. We're going to showcase our new Monument Grills Mesa Series. This says Mesa Series M400MF. If you want to search it, that's the model it is. So let's get this fired up. We're going to cook some ribeyes on here today. That's right, ribeyes. Now, if you watched the last video, we have 4 burners on this, and you can independently start each burner just like that. You want to start this one, turn it over. Hey, well, why not this one? Tell me that's not great. And boom. All right, we're going to keep this side on high, and we're going to turn this down low. We're going to get our sear on this side and then finish cooking them on this side. So the Monument Grills, it's a beauty. Mesa Series, this is the 400MF, M400MF. And Monument Grills has turned out to be a great partner of Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. I can't thank them enough. And while we're out here, I want to show you a couple others because it's Christmas time and you may be in the market for a beautiful propane grill. Monument Grills is the way to go. Very high quality and competitively priced, I'd say inexpensive compared to most. Let's take a look over here. This was the first grill that Monument Grills has sent us. It's just a portable. It's the G22, the Monument G22. It's a 2-burner. You can hook up a 20-pound propane tank on that, carry it around, tailgate, do whatever you want. You got a small patio off the back of an apartment or a small house, small family. You can leave this right at home, set it on a table anywhere you want, cook on that. We use that quite often. And then this beautiful Monument Grill over here is the Mesa Series. This is the 200MB, I believe, or M200MB or something like that. You can find these all on Amazon. This is a beauty. We use this all the time. One nice thing about this grill is it's got these, you can't really see them now, but the controls are lit up. Pardon the dogs. uh, but yeah, we use both these Monument grills quite often, and propane grills are awesome for, if you got lousy weather, it's freezing out or it's 150 degrees out, and you want to get a nice cook on a steak or some burgers or hots, you can do it nice and quick. Yep, Monument grills. All right, so I did turn this up earlier. The instrument gauge or the temperature gauge goes up to 800, and so I just turned it on and did kind of like a burn off per se for all the oils that are in there, and it got up to 700, almost 750 degrees. So that's a pretty hot grill there. Monument Grills does a really good job of constructing their grills. Every single grill has a nice vent off the back, so you're not building up that heat, which may cause problems over there. But yeah, so we're gonna wait till it gets up to about 500. And here's our ribeyes. Just did some salt and pepper on these bad boys. And we're gonna cook these up to a nice medium rare to medium. Hey buddy, don't touch that. Uh, well, I'm gonna let it get up to 500 degrees, and then we'll get these steaks cooking. It's not really about cooking the steaks; it's about showcasing this beautiful grill that was sent to Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking for a review and for some cooking videos, which we plan to do. So come on back here when that gets up to temp. Should be a minute. Peace. 500 is the magical number. There it was. It took less than 3 minutes to get to that temperature. All right, voyage cook on this. These cast iron plates should give these steaks a really good sear. That's what the sound we want to hear. Like I said, I'm going to cook these. I'm going to get the sear and the crust on each side of them and then transfer them over. Like I said, well, let's turn these on low. These are on high. These 2 burners are on low. So we're cooking steaks on the Monument grills. Boy, I'll tell you, that thing's a beauty. Here, let me show you one thing. This shelf right here, that stays in place. And you do have spots for 4 cooking utensils to hang off. There's 1, 2, and then 3, 4. And then let me show you this side here. If you're tight on space, that side collapses too. This is a beauty. I like the design of this. It's kind of no nonsense. It's streamlined, excuse me. You got your bottle opener over here. Nice silver chrome finish. And of course that clear view window, that comes in handy when you're cooking. The Mesa blue one here, that's got the clear view. And then you can see over a year, I think Monument Grill said, hey, let's take that thermometer off that window and move it up. Might be a little bit difficult on the small one, but as you can see, it gives you a unobstructed view for what you're cooking in your grills. Yeah, buddy. Poor guy outdoor cooking doesn't usually do steaks, but it's a special occasion to break in this one. Yeah, we're going to give them a little bit longer and then give them a flip. Since we're going to go from medium rare to rare, I'm going to pull these off at right around 135. And we're going to have these for supper tonight. So, yeah, Monument Grills. If you don't know about them, you can check them out in a few different places. MonumentGrills.com, obviously. They do have a YouTube page, and Amazon's got them all. Originally, I was going to talk about the pricing on these right now, but depending on when you watch the video, the pricing might change, so I didn't want to misquote. But I will share a link for each individual Monument Grills, and feel free to check it on his I'll share the Amazon link, so you can go ahead and check them out. And again, monumentgrills.com, and check out their YouTube page. All right, let's check these again. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Give them just a little turn like that. Wait to get that sear, that nice crust, and then transfer them over to the cool side. So once I'm ready to move them over, I'll show you what kind of crust we got on those and how they're looking and the sear. And yeah, we'll be right back. So come on back here, please. Peace. Okay, let's take a look. Oh yeah, you got that beautiful sear from the cast iron cooking grates. I'm going to go ahead and transfer these over. Yeah, those are some good looking steaks. I'm going to transfer these over to this side and let them finish off. I'm going to get a quick temperature check and see what we're looking at. Yeah, 122. Yeah, 124. Okay, we're just going to leave them on there for a couple more minutes. Yeah, we're not doing a taste test or anything like that. We just wanted to go ahead and show this beautiful Monument Grill one more time and cook a couple delicious steaks on it. No time at all, 15 minutes at the most. It's a great grill. It's beautiful. We're privileged to have it. And stay tuned for Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking for some more cooking videos down the road here on this new Monument Grills. And feel free to check back and see some of the videos I've done on these too. And like again, I'll share the link for each separate grill for the Amazon, and you can go and check out pricing on them. And great Christmas gift. Okay, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Go over and check out Monument Grills on YouTube and subscribe to them as well. All right, appreciate you guys. Peace.